Boeing has recently entered into an agreement with Equatic, a Los Angeles-based startup, to reduce its carbon footprint by adopting alternative fuel solutions. Boeing has recently made a move towards reducing its carbon footprint in the aviation industry by signing a deal that will aid in its search for a sustainable jet fuel. Interestingly enough, this new fuel source will be derived from an unlikely source, the ocean. A Los Angeles-based startup and an aerospace company have signed an agreement for the purchase of hydrogen from facilities that cleanse seawater of carbon dioxide, thereby enabling the ocean to absorb more of the greenhouse gas that is one of the major contributors to global warming. Since the Industrial Revolution, the ocean has played a critical role in mitigating the effects of early climate change by absorbing 30% of carbon dioxide emissions, acting as a significant carbon sink and safeguarding humans from potentially worse consequences. Boeing BA +2. 58% has reportedly entered into an agreement with Equatic to secure a pre-purchase of hydrogen. This hydrogen will be produced via a carbon removal system developed by faculty members at the University of California, Los Angeles' Engineering Department. The system will be utilized at the Port of Los Angeles and Singapore by 2025. Researchers have been conducting tests for the system at demonstration sites located in both areas. Once produced, the eco-friendly variant of hydrogen, known as green hydrogen, could be utilized as a constituent in sustainable aviation fuel. At this time, the aviation industry is responsible for roughly 2.5% of global carbon dioxide emissions. The Chief Operating Officer of Equatic, Edward Sanders, has expressed gratitude towards Boeing for providing significant support to their newly established initiative. Advertisement. According to the speaker, the agreement with Boeing demonstrates their acknowledgement of the potential benefits of hydrogen. Moreover, they have engaged in promising discussions with other sectors that also require hydrogen. These industries have expressed their intention to generate green hydrogen in a carbon-neutral manner. In order to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, the International Air Transport Association, the largest association of airlines in the world, has established a target for the aviation industry to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. President Joe Biden's administration has made it a priority to transition all kerosene-based jet fuel to sustainable fuel by 2050. As various modes of transportation are gradually transitioning to electric power, the development of large planes fueled by batteries has presented a costly obstacle. As such, many professionals in the aviation industry have opted to explore the possibility of using sustainable fuels as a substitute for fossil fuels instead. This alternative solution would not necessitate any significant technical alterations to the aircraft. In 2021, the world's first plant for synthesizing kerosene was established in Germany. Equatic has announced that it will eliminate 62,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide for Boeing and furnish the aerospace company with 2,100 metric tons of hydrogen over a 5-year span. The terms of the agreement, including the revenue generated and any other specifics, have not been disclosed by the companies involved. In a statement, Sheila Remes, Boeing's VP of Environmental Sustainability, emphasized the necessity of a multifaceted approach to achieve aviation's sustainability goals and recognized the significant potential of Equatic's technology. Through Equatic's method, an electric current is run through seawater, generating a sequence of chemical reactions that ensnare the greenhouse gas and transform it into a solid mineral. This innovative process also results in the production of hydrogen. The seawater is then reintroduced to the ocean, where it can continue to absorb more carbon dioxide from the air. Meanwhile, the solid mineral, which is composed of calcium carbonate, can settle at the bottom of the ocean. Equatic plans to use the revenue generated from the sale of hydrogen and carbon credits to fund the opening of its facilities. The technology developed by the UCLA team reveals that capturing 10 billion tons of atmospheric carbon dioxide per year would require a minimum of 1,800 industrial-scale facilities, though a smaller number could still have a significant impact. The objective is to effectively eliminate carbon for less than $100 per metric ton, as declared by the company. Moreover, the hydrogen fuel would be generated for less than $1 per kilogram, a significant reduction from the current cost of hydrogen produced in an environmentally friendly manner. By the year 2026, Equatic's goal is to achieve a carbon removal rate of 100,000 metric tons annually, with the intention of reaching a rate of millions of metric tons per year by 2028. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.